Hi, this is Rich Rosen, CEO and founder of FastCall, and I'm going to do a quick demo of our Click-to-Call application that I have installed here in Salesforce. So first we add a home page component which gives the user essentially four options to log their call. Um, the first option we call the uh, no dial or no phone option. There's a soft phone option. This is the office phone, and that is a mobile. So I'm going to start with the no dial option first. So if you notice that the application will look on any Salesforce record for a phone number, I'm going to click the number, and essentially what the application is going to do is it's going to, in this instance, without dialing the phone, it's going to start capturing our call duration. I can come over here, I can take notes, and then when I'm finished the call, I click the hang button and I can pick my disposition. I click schedule presentation. And what the application is going to do without leaving the lead record is it's going to automatically create a task for me. So it just created this task. It said that call duration was 21 seconds, an outbound call. I scheduled a presentation. And in this instance, I dialed manually the number I called and then my notes. You also notice here that there are other calls where I actually used Twilio to actually dial our call and had the option to record the call, and I'll show you how I did that in a second. So this is all native in Salesforce. These are native tasks that we're automating the creation of, and we also have an object here, and this is a custom object, call scores, whereas we're doing some roll-up data. I have our call count here, so in this particular lead record, we've had 59 calls, the total duration of those calls, the average duration, the days since the record was created to the first call, the days since the first call, days since the last call, which was today. And then here's a value I really like, which was days since last presentation, and we used 3 minutes as the presentation mark. So here's an instance where there was a call 19 days ago. It may have been 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and now that event has happened 19 days ago. So that's a great trigger to remind the user that it might be time to place a call again. All this data is available in native reports. This is a dashboard that is installed with the package where you're going to see things like calls sorted by result, and these are the results that I picked in that drop-down, calls sorted by user. In this org, there's just one user, but if you have multiple users, you're going to see all of your calls sorted by user. This can be a stacked bar chart, so you can see calls sorted by user, also sorted by presentation rate, which is what we're showing in this chart. And again, we're using as a default 3 minutes as a presentation rate. So this is all of our attempts, and then those calls that have gone over 3 minutes, but you can customize any of these any way that you wish because these are native reports. So let me pop back over here to this lead object, and I'll show you how we can place a call and actually connect the call. So I have the option here set in the no dial option. If I pick the soft phone option, I'm going to be able to place that outbound call, and in that instance we're going to use Twilio to actually connect our call for us. In the soft phone option, the user is speaking through their browser on a headset, and in that option we do have the ability to record our calls, and then we can pick an office phone or a mobile phone. One of the abilities that we have in the application is the ability when we are actually dialing the number to control the outbound caller ID. So the user can be in the office and can be placing calls, and the outbound caller ID could show as their mobile number, or vice versa. I can be using the application, I can actually be speaking on my mobile phone, but the outbound caller ID might be my office number. So the application in the paid version of FastCall, when we've connected Twilio, will give us the ability to have some more interesting control over caller ID, and then do things like record our calls. So that's a quick demo of the Click-to-Call application that's installed via the Salesforce App Exchange. The app works great on a PC, it works on a Mac. It is 100% native in Salesforce. All the data and logic are on the Force platform. If you do want to dial a call, we're using the Twilio API. If you do not actually want to dial the call and you just want to log the call, you can use the free version of FastCall, and it's a great productivity tool that'll enable your users to easily log their calls and then provide some really great roll-up data. Thanks again. This is Rich Rosen with FastCall.